Hi everyone, it's Sue, and today I'm participating in the monthly Front Door and Porch Refresh Challenge, hosted by Jujubee DIY and Our Grey House, and I will have links to their channels below, so check them out and give them some love. And also make sure you check out the playlist in the description box to check out all the other creative entries in this challenge. So this month's theme is sunflowers, so if you'd like to see how I transformed my front door into a sunflower oasis, let's get started. So I already had this kind of cute burlap neutral colored wreath that I had done before, and I will put a link above so you can check out how I made it, and I thought I could just jazz it up by adding some more sunflowers to it. So first of all, I took off this little buffalo check bow, and using hot glue is great for interchanging your decor on your wreaths because it just pulls off quite nicely. Then I attach this really pretty sunflower with a burlap bow at the bottom to make the base of my wreath. So next I used this gorgeous array of flowers from the Dollar Tree. Now some of them were sunflowers, some of them said Gerber daisies, but they actually really looked like sunflowers to me, so I was going to go with that. So I just cut them off using a pair of scissors, and they came off quite easily, and then I just hot glued them around, interwoven with my other flowers that were already on the wreath. Easy peasy. So that was a simple DIY. So wait till the end of the video until you see the grand reveal. Next, I picked up one of these really pretty plastic baskets with the basket weave pattern on them from Dollar Tree, and I just love the sort of rusty red color. So I decided to put some rocks in the bottom just to weight it down so it wouldn't blow away outside. And then I took some of this floral foam and glued it down on top of the rocks. Then I just took another batch of these really pretty sunflowers and Gerber daisies and stuck them in to make a centerpiece. So I actually got this bag of mossy filler at a yard sale for free last weekend, so I decided I was going to glue that on top of the floral foam just to cover it up and make it look that much prettier. Then I took the little raffia bow that was on the bag of filler and decided just to put that on the outside of my little box. So I just used some hot glue and glued that on there, and I thought that looked really cute. And I also had this fall sign that I got from the Dollar Tree with sunflowers on it, and I thought I would prop that up behind my little basket. So now we can see my front door, and I had purchased this sunflower mat at Michael's, and then I put my real wreath on the front door with all the sunflowers on it. And then in behind I found this little sign that had sunflowers on it that said "Give Thanks," and I put that behind my wreath to show through. And here is the fall sign with the sunflowers on it, and then my little basket of sunflowers in front. Then I had a home sign that I had done last year, and it had faded a little bit, so I restained it, repainted, and then I had this cute little pumpkin shaped sign with sunflowers on it that I thought I could put on there for the O. So there you have it, my easy peasy Dollar Tree sunflower porch front door challenge. And make sure you check out the rest of the contributions to the challenge in the playlist below.